Getting Things Done by David Allen, GTD explained. Are you drowning in to-do lists, unfinished tasks, and constant mental noise? What if you could regain control of your time and mind without working harder? Let us dive into the world of Getting Things Done by David Allen, the method used by top performers around the world to get more done with less stress. Key takeaways. 1. Your brain is for having ideas, not holding them. GTD is based on offloading everything from your mind into a trusted external system, freeing up mental space for creativity, focus, and problem solving. 2. The 5-step GTD workflow. Capture. Get everything out of your head mails. Ideas, reminders, worries into an inbox. Clarify. Decide what each item means and whether it requires action. If yes, define the next physical action. Organize. Sort tasks into categories like next actions, projects, calendar, waiting for. And someday maybe. Use tools that suit your style. Reflect. Do a weekly review to keep your system clean, current, and trustworthy. This step prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. Engage. Take action based on context, time, energy, and priority, so you're always working on the right thing at the right time. 3. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes to do, it immediately. This keeps your task list clean and boosts your momentum. For projects are not tasks. A project is anything that requires more than one action to complete. Break it down into next steps to move it forward. 5. Tools don't matter, systems do. Whether you use Notion, Todoist, Trello, or a notebook, GTD is about process, not platforms. Use whatever helps you stay consistent. 6. The weekly review is your anchor. A powerful weekly review helps you reflect, reset, and reprioritize. It's the most important habit in GTD and keeps you on track long term. 7. Achieve stress-free productivity. GTD isn't about doing more, it's about feeling in control, having a clear mind, and working with purpose, not panic. Control of your tasks in your mind today. Start with a simple mind sweep. Write down everything on your mind and begin building a GTD system that works for you. Read the book, experiment with the process, and find your flow. You don't need perfection. It's a system you can trust.